Hi everyone, and welcome to today's demonstration. In this session, we're going to cover Mend native CI/CD integration with the Amazon CodeCatalyst solution. CodeCatalyst is a DevOps toolset where there is a built-in SCM or repository, pipelines, and artifact creation, all within a single tool. So join me today in the session where we will integrate Mend SCA, software composition analysis, in order to build an accurate SBOM, or software bill of materials, within the CI/CD pipeline integration in CodeCatalyst. My name is Luke Brogan, and I'm the sales engineering team lead here at Mend. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. To begin with, you can see I'm currently at docs.mend.io, where we have great documentation on this specific use case of integrating Mend into CodeCatalyst. We use this technical documentation within this demonstration today as a walkthrough guide. So if we go to CodeCatalyst, here I've got a number of projects which have been imported from GitHub. And I'd like to use Mend to scan my WebGo application. So this is a vulnerable Java application by design, and I'd like to scan with Mend in order to see all of the vulnerabilities, the licenses, and SBOM, which can be created using this solution. So for now, if I go ahead and take a look at the CI/CD workflows, my current workflow is just simply doing a Maven installation to pull down the open source software using Maven as a package manager. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and select Actions and click Edit. I'll head over to the visual editor. Of course, this can also be done in YAML. But to integrate with Mend, simply click on Actions and search for Mend in the text field. Once you see Mend, just select and click the Add button. And you can see Mend has been added as a step in the build pipeline. I'm going to link this to my workflow source where we're doing the Maven install. And there's just some basic configuration parameters which I need to provide in order to get started. So I'm going to leave the compute type with EC2 by default. And here we have the familiar Mend product and project name. So for the project name, I'm just going to call this after the application, WebGo. And for the product name, I'm going to say CodeCatalyst. Finally, we just need to provide the Mend license key. So if I head over to my Mend SCA dashboard within my CI/CD organization, just head over to Integrate, scroll down and expand CI/CD integration, and generate an activation key. Copy this value, and then simply paste it into the license key field. From here, we can go ahead and click on Commit once complete. Confirm the workflow YAML is valid, which it is in this case. We can go ahead and commit those changes. I also have some conditions here just to generate this workflow on any valid push to the repository. So we can go ahead now back to the workflow and see that this run is in progress. To take a look at the current status, just click on the run ID. And then we can see the workflow is currently in action. We'll rejoin again shortly to see once this is completed. So now we can see the scan has been completed and succeeded in the top left there. We can see the green tick for the build with Maven, and then the subsequent process of scanning with Mend SCA. So if we just click on the SCA portion, we can see all of the steps are completed successfully. Most importantly, there is a report which is created from this scan. So you can go ahead and click on the Mend SCA report and receive the latest SBOM information for this application. We can see 153 open source components have been scanned, and therefore this is my SBOM. And all of the findings based on the severity, the package, and the scoring have all been included in this diagram. Most importantly, the fix is also provided. If you need any more information, you can just simply click on the CVE, where we provide you with more granular details about that open source component. Finally, if you would like further information, you can head over to the Mend SCA dashboard. Remember, the product was called CodeCatalyst, WebGoat, and all of the reports which I'm familiar with in terms of license compliance, SBOM details, and other reports, they're all available for me here within the Mend UI. Hope you've enjoyed this demo, and if you need any more information, feel free to contact us via docs.mend.io. Cheers, bye-bye.